Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on creating and setting up a Zoom account. Since the lockdown around the world started, group meeting apps such as Zoom are getting more and more popular. Here is how you can quickly create a Zoom account. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On a web browser, go to zoom.us. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right of the screen. Enter your date of birth and then click Continue. Now enter your email address and then hit Sign Up. You'll need to check your email now for a confirmation link. Click on the Activate Account button inside the email. Answer this question and then click Continue. Your Zoom account has now been created, but we still need to add a bit more info. Enter your name and chosen password. Passwords must be at least 8 characters long, have at least one letter, one number, and use uppercase and lowercase characters. You can now invite some of your friends or colleagues to join you on Zoom. Enter their emails here. You can also skip this step. Your Zoom account is set up and ready for creating and joining meetings. You can now download the PC app for Zoom, use it in a web browser, or download the app for your Android or iOS devices. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more tips and tricks.